Welcome to Vadhvani Foundation's Housekeeping Procedures Training. Let's watch a video on responsibilities of a housekeeping control desk attendant. Communication. One of the major responsibilities of the housekeeping control desk, or the HCD, is to communicate various requests, complaints, and queries to the concerned department or personnel. The HCD attendant gets calls with special requests from the guests. These requests may be for an extra bed or an electric iron. He communicates these to the concerned floor supervisor or attendant and the concerned department. The floor supervisor calls the HCD back after the request is met. Front office calls the HCD informing about the check-ins and check-outs. HCD calls the concerned floor supervisor who ensures the vacant rooms are cleaned thoroughly. Floor supervisor calls the HCD back to confirm the room status. An HCD attendant completes the communication cycle by ensuring all requests and queries are resolved. Coordination. The HCD attendant has to coordinate with different departments and sections of the hotel. He coordinates with the floor supervisor in case of guest special requests. For example, if the guest asks for some warm water, the floor supervisor or attendant is informed by the HCD. He simultaneously coordinates with different departments or sections as and when required. For example, he contacts the engineering or maintenance department if a room attendant reports issues with a guest room's TV, AC, etc. He coordinates with the attendants at the time of shift change and ensures no piece of information is lost while the shift handover happens. He also coordinates with the front office in case of guest arrivals or departures. Consolidation. An HCD attendant consolidates records of every operation of housekeeping. He updates the housekeeping data board with information like in-house VIPs, occupancy percentage, arrivals, departures, to-do list, etc. He updates the room status, occupancy, etc. online on the Property Management System or PMS as informed by the floor supervisors. He maintains important files, logs, and registers like Guest Call or Request Register, also called the Desk Register, which has a record of guests' requests, complaints, and progress with each of them. Staff Movement List, which has the details of areas allotted to different attendants for cleaning, services, etc. Lost and Found Register, which has description of all the items found in the guest rooms or reported as lost by the guests. Missing or Broken Items Register, which has a record of missing or broken items in different areas of the hotel. Mini Bar Consumption List, which has a record of minibar items consumed by the guests. The guests are billed based on this list. Keys register, which has details of floor keys, guest room keys, etc. Shift handover log, which is the log of status of housekeeping at the time of shift change of the attendants. Room discrepancy report, which has the status of rooms and is sent to the front office.